getting you out the door this morning. You can see widespread rainfall in place, and we're starting to see that intensity picking up with a few downpours developing. 40s out there means it is pretty mild and it is mainly rain. But I do want to mention, as you move farther north and west, especially west of 91 this morning, we have some wet snow mixing in with temperatures a bit colder in the 30s. And we had some snow mixing in for northern Worcester Hills earlier, starting to see that retreat into New Hampshire at this hour. I want to take you down to the south because we are seeing, as you move in and around Boston, some reports of lightning and very loud thunder. You can see how the rain has picked up in intensity, and we had some lightning popping up on the radar earlier, although that has faded. Keep in mind, with these downpours continuing to shift northward, which is something that's going to continue through several hours, we will see a continued chance for some lightning and thunder. So we're in that downpour threat, and it's something I'll be tracking through late this morning. So 9, 10 o'clock, especially in eastern Massachusetts, plan on soaking heavy rain and also gusty wind, which the timeline, I'll get you through that. You'll see some of the strongest wind is expected this morning. Moving into the afternoon, a shower or two possible. This is going to be nuisance kind of showers. We're not talking about anything widespread or heavy. In fact, you'll see most of us will dry out through this afternoon, and right before sunset, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit of sun trying to break through as we continue to clear out. This is mainly a rainmaker, but we do have a winter weather advisory moving west of 91, where a slushy 1 to 4 inches will be possible on grassy and elevated surfaces. And while it's still just a rainmaker for most of southern New England, the other component to this storm that we have to watch is the wind. As of this morning, a wind advisory has been issued for our coastline, and something we're watching through 2 o'clock this afternoon. But the best potential for wind gusts nearing 50 miles per hour will be for this morning. You'll see at 9, 10 o'clock some of the strongest wind picking up, especially over southeastern Massachusetts toward the coastline. Still a steady breeze this afternoon, tonight into tomorrow, but nothing compared to what we're dealing with this morning. With the steady breeze off the ocean, we do have a coastal flood advisory for Plymouth County moving north. The best chance of any minor coastal flooding will be for areas of Cape Ann, where we do have that high tide between 1 to 2 o'clock this afternoon. So impact hours continue through about noon to 1 o'clock today. After that point, we will start to see the storm pulling away, and even some breaks of sun right before sunset as we make a run toward 50 degrees. A mild start to our weekend, but as we stretch you through tomorrow, a January chill coming back. We drop down to the 40s, but with a steady breeze, that will feel like the 30s. And for Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday, it will feel cool. 40 degrees with a wind chill factor in the 30s yet again. Colder outlook through the rest of the work week too, with a chance of a few flurries Wednesday and some snowy mix for Thursday evening.